In this problem, we've got a binomial expansion. They want us to find the first three terms in ascending powers of x. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's write this down. 1 minus 2x all to the fifth power. Doesn't look like anything too crazy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up my combinations. I'm going to do 5 choose 0, 5 choose 1, and then 5 choose 2. Those are the first three terms. And then I'm going to put the a term and the b term in parentheses with a little space between them, so I can put the exponents in. Now keep in mind, if that's a 0, then the outside exponent's got to be a 0, and they have to add up to the 5. So in this next one, I'm going to have a 1 on the outside and a 4 on the inside. On the last one, I'm going to have a 2 on the outside and then a 3 on the inside. So now all I'm going to do is figure out what these numbers are. The first one is just going to be a 1, and then this is going to be 5 choose 1 times negative 2. That's negative 10x. And then this one I'm actually going to use the calculator for. 5 choose 2 times 1, not going to worry about that, negative 2 to the squared. All right, so you got to make sure you put the negative 2 in parentheses if you're going to square it. Anyway, I end up with a 40 on this, and that'll be 40x squared. So those are the first three terms, not too bad. Now this next part says, given that the coefficient of x squared in the expansion 1 plus ax plus 2x squared times 1 minus 2x to the fifth is equal to 12, find the value of the constant a. All right, so they want us to multiply this together. Now, we're not going to need any more than the first three terms that we just figured out. So I'm going to write those terms down and kind of think of this like foiling. Only, again, we don't got to do everything. We're just looking for terms that are going to end up with an x squared. So, for example, 1 times what equals something x squared? Well, 1 times 40x squared is going to equal 40x squared. And then I look at ax times x is going to equal x squared. So that's going to be a negative 10ax squared. And then the last one, what times 2x squared is going to equal something x squared? Well, just the 1. Now keep in mind, all I need are the coefficients, so I'm going to get rid of these letters. It's going to be 40 minus 10a plus 2, and that's got to equal 12. And now all I got to do is figure out what the a is, and a is equal to 3. All right, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.